Creators, freelancers, small business owners. If you're making money and you don't have a boss taking it out, guess what? The IRS wants their cut, and they want it 4 times a year. So you probably have to make estimated tax payments. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to make your estimated tax payments without crying, screaming, or Googling random TikToks.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the...
And panicking. I know panicking. This is for Uber drivers, door dashers, freelancers, content creators, TikTokers, YouTubers, any small business really. LLC owners. Estimated tax payments are like having a best friend that wants their cut or they're gonna fine you. That'll be your best friend. Estimated tax payment deadlines. First quarter is January 1st through March 31st, which you're gonna pay on April 15th. The second quarter is from April 1st to May 31st, which you're going to pay June 15th. The third quarter is from June 1st to August 31st, which you're going to pay on September 15th. And the fourth quarter is from September 1st to December 31st, which you pay on January 15th. Those are your 4 quarterly deadlines, okay? April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and then January 15th of the following year, 2026. Think of it like paying rent to Uncle Sam. If you don't pay, he's gonna evict your business. Is that a good one?
No.
Is that a good one?
No.
No. So first you're going to go to IRS.gov/payments in the search bar. Hit enter. Okay, and then you're gonna see make a payment. Scroll down. You'll see pay from your bank account, debit card, credit card, or digital wallet. The most common one is going to be the direct pay with your bank account. So click on direct pay with your bank account. Scroll down. You're going to see personal tax payments. That's going to be the one that you're going to click. Now, I know you see business tax payments. That's only if you're incorporated. So we're going to hit pay personal taxes. Make a payment. Okay, after you hit that, it's going to take you to direct pay. Okay, you're going to select estimated tax payments. That's the reason for payment. It's going to autofill the rest of it for you and continue. Okay, please confirm. Go ahead and read that. Okay, so verify identity. This is the part where it's going to direct pay verifies your identity using form 1040 filing history. Please provide the following information from a 1040 tax return you filed for one of the years listed in the tax year for verification drop down menu. So when you hit on tax year for verification, it's going to pop up the tax years all the way from 2020. We're going to hit on 2024 or whenever you filed last, 23, 22, 21, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to put 2024. That was my last filing year and most people's last filing year. Now you're just going to put in what's on your tax return, your filing status. So single, then you're going to put your name. Okay, so my name's Paige. Type that in there and y'all can see my emails. Last name, okay, creator, and then you're going to confirm. You want to make sure this information matches exactly what you have on that tax return. Otherwise, you won't pass the verification process, which is what this is right now. You're going to put your social security number in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, confirm. Okay, then you're going to put your date of birth. So you're just going to fill this whole page out. And I want to say where you can go get your filing if you don't know your filing information, but I don't want to. That's a whole nother video. I'll keep it on this topic. And then your birthday, okay, September 19th. I'm a Virgo. Shout out to the 90s babies, okay? And then your address. 1, 2, 3. Creator. Lane. Okay, and then you're gonna put your city, Hustle City. Okay, and then we're gonna put our state and then zip. Then you're going to, I'm not really from Alabama, y'all. I'm from Louisiana, but I put Alabama in there. And of course, it's not going to verify me because all that information is not accurate. I'm just showing you how to fill it out. So you're going to click on accept the Privacy Act, then continue. It's going to take you to a where you can add your banking information, your payment information. All right, so select a date for your payment to be processed. The payment date selected is the date you will get credit for the payment. So basically, if you say you pay on the 2nd, you'll get credited for June 2nd, but your payment might not go through until, say, the 13th, the 15th. So whatever day you decide to pay is the day that you'll get credited for. Since the 15th it lands on a Sunday, a non-business day, you'll want to pay before, like on the 13th. So I put June 13th, for example, is the day that I want to make that payment. Then you're going to put your banking information. Okay. And then I would advise adding your email, checking that box, and so they can send you confirmation. And then we continue. You're going to read the disclosure authorization, agree, and then you're going to review and sign. Okay, so it's grayed out. It's basically making sure everything is correct. If you need to go back and edit anything, so you don't have to press the back button, just hit that edit right there. Put your name, okay, social security or ITIN. I skipped that part. Your ITIN is your identification, your individual tax identification number or your social security number. So accept, and voila. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Your estimated tax payments are officially done. You can make a one-time payment, or you can set a calendar reminder every quarter so that you don't miss a date. And if you do miss a deadline, it's not the end of the world. Don't panic. If you want to learn how to calculate your estimated tax payments, go ahead and click this video, or this video here, or right here. Just go to the next video, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can calculate your estimated tax payments using TurboTax and IRS Estimated Tax Calculator. Till then, bye. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and till next time, guys. Bye.